You're tired, burned out, you got nothing left to give, and you don't know what to do about it. You need some rest. This is Sue with My Step Ahead. I'm an ACC certified master life and mental health coach, and today I want to talk with you about a journey I'm beginning about rest. The 7 types of rest, to be specific. Sandra Dalton Smith's book, Sacred Rest, names 7 types of rest every person needs: physical rest, mental rest, emotional rest, spiritual rest, social rest, sensory rest, and creative rest. When you're burned out, tapped out, you got nothing left to give. Somewhere in there, you need some rest. Rest is beyond just physical sleep or shutting down or zoning out and watching Netflix or binging football or whatever your escape is. All of us have them. There's nothing wrong with them, but there's more. I have begun the process to become a certified 7 types of rest trainer and speaker. Over the next 12 weeks, I'll be going through Sandra's program, and I'm going to share with you the things I'm learning about rest, what it looks like, how I'm seeing it or not seeing it in my life, because I want you to see it in real time, because you'll be able to pick something out from that as well and apply it to your life. So if you want a quick window to what the 7 types of rest are and how it can look for you, be sure you join me over the course of these next number of weeks. I'll be sharing with you what's going on. In the meantime, I challenge you to take Sandra's rest quiz. I was with somebody over the weekend. We were talking, and it came around to the topic of rest. I gave him this quiz link. He took it and shared with me the results yesterday, and he was really surprised of what type of rest he needed. And then he needed it in a number of different ways, but there was one area in particular that was really screaming off the page, and that's the one he wants to focus on first. I want to hear in the comments where you think you might need some rest. In the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, and share so more people can join us.